This video is going to show how to divide fractions. So when you're dividing fractions, what you need to remember is keep, change, flip, or a lot of times we just call it KCF. So here is how KCF, or keep, change, flip, works. So if you have a problem like 2/3 divided by 1/4, you keep, change, flip, which means you keep the first fraction the same as it is. So this would stay 2/3. Then you change the division to multiplication, and then you flip the last fraction upside down. So it becomes 4/1 in this case. And then we multiply like we would normally multiply fractions. You multiply the numerator and you multiply the denominator. So 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 1 is 3. And then if your teacher asks you to simplify this to a mixed number, then you have to think about how many times does 3 fit into 8. Or what you could also do if you're not sure is draw a picture. So you would draw 8 objects. I'll just draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we make groups of 3. So I have one group. I have 2 whole groups. So my whole number is 2. And then I have 2 left over out of groups of 3. So my final answer will be 2 2/3. So first we did keep, change, flip. We multiplied straight across, and then we simplified our answer. Let's do another example. So in this example, we have 3/5 divided by 3/10. So once again, we're going to do keep, change, flip. And remember, keep, change, flip is only when you are dividing fractions. So we keep the first fraction, 3/5. We change the division to multiplication. And then we flip the last fraction upside down. This is also called the reciprocal. 10/3. Now we multiply the numerators. 3 times 10 is 30. We multiply the denominators. 5 times 3 is 15. And so we could draw 30 objects like before and see how many groups of 15 we could make. But in my head, I know that I can make 2 groups of 15 to get 30. So my answer is 2, because 15 fits into 30 2 times. Let's do another example. So in this example, we have a mixed number, 1 1/4, divided by a fraction. Now, a lot of times people, when they see this, just want to do keep, change, flip right away. But we can only do keep, change, flip if we don't have a mixed number. And in this case, we do have a mixed number. So we first have to change that into an improper fraction. And to do that, we take the whole number and we multiply by the denominator and add the numerator. So 1 times 4 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So this new fraction is 5/4, and I'm just rewriting the problem divided by 2/8. Now I can do keep, change, flip, because I don't have any mixed numbers. So let's do keep, change, flip. So we're going to keep 5/4. We're going to change division to multiplication. And we're going to flip the last fraction to make it 8/2. Now we're going to multiply straight across. 5 times 8 is 40. I'm going to put my answer down here. And 4 times 2 is 8. And then I have to simplify. How many times does 8 fit into 40? Or how many groups of 8 can make 40? 5 groups. So my answer is 5. All right, so for this one, we first had to change this mixed number into an improper fraction. And we did that by multiplying the whole number by the denominator. 1 times 4 is 4. And then we added the numerator and that's 5. 1 times 4 is 4, plus 1 is 5, and then we kept the denominator the same. And from there, we were able to do keep, change, flip. Let's do another example. So here's a similar example. We start off having a mixed number. So first, before we can do anything, we have to change that into an improper fraction. So remember, we do the whole number times the denominator plus the numerator. So our new fraction is going to be 1 times 4 is 4, plus 3 is 7. So we're going to have 7 over 4 divided by 2/3. I always like to rewrite the problem before I do keep, change, flip so that I don't make any mistakes. So now that I rewrote the problem, we can do keep, change, flip. So we're going to keep the first fraction as 7 over 4. We're going to change division to multiplication, and we're going to flip the last fraction to 3 over 2. And now we multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So 7 times 3 is 21. 4 times 2 is 8. And so in this case, we have to think, how many times does 8 fit into 21? Well, I know if I skip count by 8, I have 8, 16, 24. But 24 is too big. We only want 21. So that means 8 fits in 2 whole times, and that gets us to 16. And how many from 16 to get to 21? 5 more, with 8 left over. So again, in this case, first we had to change this mixed number into an improper fraction. We multiplied the whole number times the denominator plus the numerator. 1 times 4 is 4, plus 3 is 7, and we kept the denominator the same. Then we rewrote our problem, we did keep, change, flip, and we ended up with 21 over 8, which we simplified to 2 5/8. So to wrap everything up, when you are dividing fractions, you use keep, change, flip, or KCF. First, you make any mixed numbers into improper fractions. Then you do keep, change, flip. Then you multiply the numerators and the denominators, and you simplify. And that is how you divide fractions.